Natures of fingerprints. Fingerprints is a composite of the ridge outlines which appears on the skin surface of the bulbs on the inside of the ends of joints of the fingers, thumbs, on the palms, and on the sole of the feet. The ridges appearing in a fingerprint are commonly referred to as papillary or frictional ridges. The ridges have a definite contour and appear in definite individual details by which positive identification can be made. Fingerprint as a science is the identification of a person by means of the ridges appearing on the fingers, on the palms, and on the sole of the feet. The allied signs of fingerprint. Dactyloscopy. It is the practical application of the science of fingerprints identification of persons through examination and comparison of fingerprint taken from Greek word dactyl, a finger, and scoping to examine or study. Chairoscopy. Greek words chair and hand scoping to examine, study of the print of the palms of the hand. Podoscopy. Greek words podo, the foot, and scoping to study of the footprints. Poroscopy. Greek words poros and pair and scoping to examine study of the arrangement of the sweat pores. Dactylography is the scientific study of fingerprint as a means of identification. Dactylomancy is the scientific study of fingerprint for purposes of personality interpretation.